I'm Miles Hubbard. I'm the creative director for Katzkin Leather. We are the premier manufacturer of custom automotive interiors throughout the United States and Canada. The overall governing body for the automotive aftermarket industry in general is SEMA, the Specialty Equipment Market Association. And every year they have the SEMA show, which is not open to the public. It's only for industry professionals. And it's a big show. Of course, 2020 being what it was, they had to cancel the SEMA show. We knew we had to come up with something of our own. And our exhibit builder for the past 15 years has been Zibio. They never let us down for producing exactly what we have in our mind for an exhibit. They came to the table with Studio Zibio. So we decided to make this essentially a nice long presentation, and everything that we would have shown at the SEMA show was put into this video production. We were a bit ambitious with this show. We wanted to do a lot, and that included a tour of our factory, hosted by our CEO. We needed to interview some people that aren't here at Katzkin. We went to Florida to our biggest customer. We went to Las Vegas. We shot remotely in Las Vegas. We shot in the studio 6 different vehicles. We were able to go in and really film close-ups on some of our materials and our stitching and our perforation techniques, and get Ron, our host, in there to describe the interiors that we put into those. We incorporated all of that, and it all went smooth as silk. It was beautifully handled. I'm a creative director, and as a creative, I have certain skill sets, but I also lack a great deal of skill sets. This was definitely beyond my scope of skills, because what we were going for was true Hollywood-style professional video production. They gave us far more than we had hoped. And I want to give advice to anyone out there that wants to hear it. I mean, when you hire someone like this, when you hire someone like Studio Zibio, let their creatives do the job. You're good at what you do 9 to 5. Well, this is what they do 9 to 5, okay? So you let them do their stuff and you will be blown away by the results. When we posted on YouTube, it's unlisted. It was only by invitation, so we could send out individual email addresses. We were able to get over 900 views in a week's time in an unlisted YouTube page. I'd say that's a success in my book. We reached the people we needed to reach, and the response was phenomenal. Everyone loved this video. They were impressed beyond anything they ever expected, and that's what we were shooting for.